Okay everybody, thanks very much for joining our gutter cleaning community, and thanks for all your posts. It's been absolutely fantastic. So one of the posts we've been getting on and off occasionally from you guys is the filter situation. Do we leave the filter in? Do we leave the filter out? So the thing with what a filter does is, especially in a dry extraction, all them dust and everything that you're collecting will be collected by the filter, and the filter will then not allow that dust to get up onto the motors and potentially burn the motors out. So then you sort of think to yourself, well, if I'm doing a wet extraction, I'm not going to get any dust up onto the motors. However, there's still a lot of dirt within the dirty water that you're collecting, so potentially some of that dust could still get up and under and in your filter. The other thing is, if you do a wet extraction and forget to put the filter back, chances are you're going to do a dry extraction and forget to put your filter back, then you've got problems with your motor. So 100% best practice is to leave your filter in all the time. Then you'll be assured that your skyVac will last you forevermore.